Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And today's we are gonna show you how you can expand your memory, or you can say how you can upgrade your hard disk in your laptop. So we have, I think we have 128 GB hard drive. So we want to expand it to 256 or 512 GB. So here we are going to show you how you can change your hard drive. Okay, so let's start it. Okay, unscrew the bottom of your laptop. Okay, so it's like a tray. In every laptop there is like a tray on the side, wise, so you can press it or you can take it out from your laptop. So it's our old hard drive, and we wanna to change it, or you can say we want to upgrade it into 512 GB. You need to put your new hard drive in this the other piece of your tray. Now insert the new one into your laptop and put the screw. That's it. So I hope it's gonna solve your problem, and don't so it start working. So here guys, it's the end of our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.